Hello friends, my name is HIT Bhalodia. I am currently pursuing ICT branch at Marwadi University. Now, in this video, I am going to explain you my Java project based on number conversion with fraction. So, here is my details. This project is guided by Professor C.D. Parmar sir and Professor Kumar Anand sir. Now, let us move to our project. So here it is my project. So you can see that I have done my full code using Java frames. I have used my main frame which will display my details. Like you can see that I have run this code. Now these details will be explained by this class, that is mainframe class. Now next frame is login form, means that if someone have to use my project, he or she have to log in through an ID and password. So if I run this code, this login form will be generated. Now if I type my username and my password and then click login, it is gone to next description page, which is as below. Now first we will see that how this project works. So what is the detailed description of this project? Now since number system may have many number systems like binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Now let us go with all of them. Binary number system. Binary number system has only two digits, that are 0 or 1. Means in any number system which have either 0 or 1, and it is known as binary number system. Its base is 2. Decimal number system. Now decimal number system have base 10 and its value range from 0 to 9. Octal number system has base 8 and values range from 0 to 7. Now hexadecimal number system have base 16 with value 0, 1, 2, 3 to 10, 9 and A, B, C, D to F. Means that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is represented by A, B, C, D, E and F. Now let us run our project. So now I will start my project from mainframe. So now let us see first working. Now we will click enter. So we will go to an username password frame, that is Java. My password is. Now if we click login, description page we have discussed earlier. Now if we will type text next, here this frame will be open. Now in this frame you have choices that you have to convert any number to other number system. Like I have written this decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Means if you click on any button, let us for example if I click on decimal number, so you will get another frame which says that input here one decimal number and you will get the output of binary number, octal number and hexadecimal number of that given input decimal number. Also now if the number is in fraction, so it may have some percentage of error in answer. So I have written one more text field here in which you have to write your percentage error, that how many percentage error you want to specify. Now then if we click our binary number, you can see that here it is saying input binary number and output will get decimal number, octal and hexadecimal. Simultaneously octal number system input is there, we have get output in decimal, binary, hexadecimal. Now in hexadecimal number we have to input hexadecimal number, get output in decimal, binary and octal number. Now if we click back, we get again proceed on this page. Now for that we will run our project. Now decimal number, if we input decimal number as 12 we know that our binary number of 12 should be what? So if I click on convert, means it is converted to 1100, octal number is converted to 14, hexadecimal converted to C. So if we check our answer, it is correct. Hence our input number is done. Now if we input some decimal number in fraction form like 0.25 and specify some error like 2%. So if we click convert, then our answer will be in 2% error format. You can say binary is this, octal is this, and hexadecimal is this. Now if we click back, now binary number. If we input binary number 101.01 and we click convert, we get our equivalent decimal, octal, and hexadecimal number. Now by chance, if someone user input like other than 0 and 1 and click converts, one dialog box will appear and will say that it is invalid input, please incorrect input. So here you can see that one dialog box appear and there is an error that enters 0 or 1. Since I have entered there 2, so it is 0, 1010.01. If convert, then it is our answer. Same in octal number system. If I did 12, so our answer would be decimal number 10, binary 1010, and hexadecimal, that is A. And if I input greater than 7, means if I input 8, so it will give me some error, that is input 0 to 7 only. Now back, hexadecimal number. If I input my A, then convert, it will be 10, 1010, and 12 respectively, which is correct. Now if someone input other than A to F or 0 to 9, like I have input here K, so it will give me the error message, input 0 to 9 or A to F. Click OK. Now if someone A 0.5 and click converts, then here it is the answer. We can also verify our answer by just copy paste this number here. So you can see that our answer is verified here, 10.25, 12.20, and 8.40. Hence we have converted. Now if we go back and click cancel, then our project is completed. Yes, thank you. So now we have explained our working of the project. Now we will go to our source code. Now for source code, my main frame has this code in which I have made one frame, 2 buttons, and set all the boundaries for that buttons and all. I have input one image, that is my PNG image, in which I have discussed my introduction to my frame. I implement 2 action listener, that is we have to read button also. Then I have add all buttons and labels in my frame using that add option. Now if someone press B1, then my new next frame, that is login form, will be open. So I have written here new login forms. If someone exits, then new thanks frame will be open. Now if someone presses B1, then it will redirect to login form, which code is this. Now here I have made some simple username and password combination by 2 labels and 2 buttons, which will accept from user. So, and if it is error, it will give me some incorrect message. Now next, our binary means our description page, in which I have written all that, what is binary number, octal number, etc. So here it is. Now after that, I have one project frame in which I have specified that click on some button and our operation will be performed. So here it is that page. So if person press B1, it will redirect to decimal conversion, if B2 binary conversion, if B3 octal, and if cancel, then it will redirect to thanks frame. So now first we'll see decimal conversion page. Here in this, I've made only means that a button and all labels I have added. Now my main task was the fraction part, which was I was stuck in there. So after so lot of so after lots of practice, I have made this code by our own. So this is my fraction part and also decimal part of code. Now next, binary conversion. Here the same phenomena I have applied, which is in decimal conversion. Same code I have written in frames, octal, same in decimal, but some logic is different. So you can see that this is the code. Now hexadecimal conversion. Here also the same code for frames and all that part. And last but not the least, thanks frame, in which I have concluded my whole work with thank you and my given my mail ID. This is my thanks page. So this is our project. Now quickly go through our project by running it. So first enter, then username password, that is ABC etc. Login description page. Next, to give one frame. If we input decimal number as 18, we will get output. Now if I get in points like 18.25, error is 1%, then convert, get the answer. Binary number, input is 101010, convert, will get the values. Now if we have to recheck that value of binary and decimal, so just copy and paste this 125 to octal number, we will get 85. So you can see that we'll get 85 and my 10101 hexadecimal 55 is there. Now if we copy paste this value, we have get 125 octal number. You can see that we get 125. Now back, cancel, thank you, and exit. So this is my project. Thank you friends for listening me. If you have any query on this project, please mail me on the given mail ID. Thank you. Have a good day.